Hi friends, welcome to PSC Collegiate English. Today, let us discuss another poem, The Freaks by Kamala Das. Kamala Das was born in the year 1934 and she died in 2009. She is known by her other names Kamala Suraya and Madhavi Kuti. She is an Indian poet as well as a leading Malayalam author. Her contribution to Malayalam literature are her short stories and autobiography, whereas her oeuvre in English, written under her name Kamala Das, is for her poems and explicit autobiography. Her open and honest treatment of female sexuality, free from any sense of guilt, infused her writings with power. She was marked as an iconoclast of her generation. The directness of her voice led to comparisons with Margaret Duras and Sylvia Plath. Let us proceed to her works. Her novels are Alphabets of Lust, published in 1976, My Story, that is an autobiography, 1976. Poetry collections are The Sirens, Summer in Calcutta, The Old Playhouse, Only the Soul Knows How to Sing, My Mother at 66, Ya Allah. She is decorated with awards like Penn's Asian Poetry Prize 1963 and Kerala Sahitya Award 1969 and National Sahitya Award in 1985. Coming to the poem as such, first of all, we would read through the poem and then later on analyze it. As she is a feminist writer, we can analyze her poems in through feministic theories and also using psychoanalysis. So let's begin the poem. He talks, turning a sun-stained cheek to me, his mouth a dark cavern where stalactites of uneven teeth gleam. His right hand on my knee, while our minds are willed to race towards love, but they only wander, tripping idly over puddles of desire. Can this man with nimble fingertips unleash nothing more alive than the skin's lazy hungers? Who can help us who have lived so long and have failed in love? The heart, an empty cistern, waiting through long hours, fills itself with coiling snakes of silence. I am freak. It's only to save my face I flaunt at times a grand flamboyant lust. So this is the poem. This is a very simple poem, but it has deeper meanings. The poem The Freaks by Kamala Das is about the poet's marriage in which there is no love between the couple. The poem dramatizes an abnormal situation in lovemaking, which exposes the futility of loveless relationships. It also brings to light the agony of the female persona who remains a non-participant in the act of lovemaking because it denies her the emotional and intellectual thrills of life. The narrator of the poem presents the male partner in love in a very dark light. His way of talking is selfish. He has no fascination for her. She knows that he cannot go beyond the satisfaction of lustful desires. She finds him not only ugly but extremely repulsive. His cheeks are sunburnt and brownish in appearance. His mouth looks very horrible like a dark cavern, and his shining teeth are uneven and calciferous. The man places his right hand on the knee of the female persona in a gesture of lovemaking. Their minds, especially of the woman, keeps wandering to avoid any sign of emotional involvement in it. So throughout the poem, the poet tries to convey how the female narrator is being affected by the male. She is imposed with a duty which actually must not be a duty but an exciting endeavor. The lovers are filled with puddles of desire, that is, lust without love. It is purely sensual relationship full of dirt and filth. The poet dramatizes the pangs of sorrow of a woman involved. She has to bear this torture because of social compulsions. She is not against the spiritual love. The woman finds herself totally isolated and ignored in the sexual act. She is all fed up with the lustful desires. She feels emotionally and spiritually starved in this type of sensual relationship. Their hearts are like an empty cistern filled with snakes of silence, waiting to be filled with love, not lust. The woman has to bear the pangs because of the social compulsions to honor marital commitments. At the end, she calls herself a freak or abnormal person who makes a show of being lustful in order that she may be regarded as a normal person. Kamala Das looks very determined to revolt against conventional society's definition of womanhood. Even she challenges the traditional sex roles. In many of her poems, she brings out the emotional emptiness and sterility of married life and the intensity of misery of the wife who surrenders to her husband who is repulsive and with whom she has no emotional contact at all. The poem The Freaks begins with a slow movement representing her indifference to sex and ends in an impulsive note in keeping with the compromise. She must not surrender herself to his love-making, however, she hates it. She must also pretend to like it. Her self-respect insisted, but the social customs require it. Now, this is the male domination that's portrayed throughout the poem. The motivating force of her notion is love that is frustrating experience. All her efforts to establish meaningful relationship with other show to be fruitless. In Freaks, poet depicts the disappointment, senselessness and torment of a woman who longs for love, but it is denied by her husband who is insensible to her psychological desires. She is revolted by cruelty of her companion. She feels trapped by her male ego. Therefore, she refused to play the traditional role as a wife. It is natural that Kamala Das's poems represent a rebellion against a male-dominated social system. It shows that in the male-dominated world, she has courage to emphasize her feminine sensibility and to revolt against the system. She is proud of her femininity and does not fail to claim it. She is conscious of a primary need for true love, psychological need and a desire for liberty within the family system. In this sense, she is truly a liberated woman and a representative of modern woman who identifies her right to sexual fulfillment and psychological security. So this brings us to the end of the poem. Hope you have enjoyed it. The theories that can be applied to this poem are feministic theories and also psychological theories. Thank you so much, friends. Keep learning.